Hello, it's Markham Torch here from Markham 3D. If you like the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. The channel really helps me out and keeps you up to date with my content. Now, videos have been going well. I've been creating a lot of content. The Dynamic Skies add-on video that I did is really good. Check it out. It's been getting me a lot of views. That's helped me out quite significantly. I've got the paint holders that I created. This has been a very popular model on Thingiverse that you can download, and the next 3D print is actually really interesting. I really look forward to bringing that out and actually giving it away to one of my friends. And what else? The game's coming along. I've got a lot of the technical components already created now, and now it's just about putting the puzzles together, how to unlock certain objects and so on and so forth. And I actually might extend the VR simulation. So at the moment it's comprised to a small engine room, and I want to bring it out maybe to part of the actual ship itself, and so kind of that's the tutorial level, and then you kind of go into the engine room and that's the puzzle bit. What else? That's about it. Continuing on, working hard. Thank you for all your supports and all your comments. If there's something that you want me to create with a 3D printer or just anything in general, please leave a comment down below, and I look forward to hearing from you. And until next time, thank you very much.